Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about a question that many of you have probably wondered about. Does Starling Bank offer an overdraft? Now, before we get into the details, let's take a step back and think about why this is such an important question. Overdrafts can be a lifesaver in a pinch, providing you with some extra cash flow when you need it most. But they can also be expensive if you're not careful. So, it's important to understand how overdrafts work and what to look for when choosing a bank. With that in mind, let's dive into the world of Starling Bank overdrafts. What is an overdraft? An overdraft is essentially a loan from your bank that allows you to spend more money than you have in your account. It's like a safety net that can help you cover unexpected expenses or tide you over until your next paycheck arrives. How does a Starling Bank overdraft work? Starling Bank offers two types of overdrafts, arranged and unarranged. An arranged overdraft is one that you've agreed with your bank in advance. You'll typically be charged a monthly fee for this type of overdraft, as well as interest on the amount you borrow. An unarranged overdraft is one that you use without having agreed to it with your bank. This type of overdraft is more expensive than an arranged overdraft, and you'll be charged a higher interest rate. What are the benefits of using a Starling Bank overdraft? There are a few benefits to using a Starling Bank overdraft. First, it can provide you with some much-needed financial flexibility. If you're ever in a situation where you need some extra cash, an overdraft can help you get by. Second, Starling Bank offers a number of features that make it easy to manage your overdraft. You can set spending limits, track your usage, and get alerts when you're close to your overdraft limit. Finally, Starling Bank offers competitive interest rates on its overdrafts. This means that you won't be paying as much interest as you would with some other banks. What are the drawbacks of using a Starling Bank overdraft? There are also some drawbacks to using a Starling Bank overdraft. First, overdrafts can be expensive, especially if you use them frequently. Second, using an overdraft can damage your credit score. This is because it shows that you're having trouble managing your finances. Third, Starling Bank may not approve you for an overdraft if you have a poor credit score. So, is a Starling Bank overdraft right for you? That depends on your individual circumstances. If you're looking for a flexible way to manage your finances, an overdraft can be a good option. However, it's important to be aware of the risks involved and to only use an overdraft if you're sure you can afford it. Additional tips for using a Starling Bank overdraft. Be sure to read the terms and conditions of your overdraft carefully before you sign up. Only use your overdraft for emergencies. Track your overdraft usage carefully to make sure you don't go over your limit. Pay off your overdraft as soon as possible. Starling Bank offers a range of overdraft options that can be a helpful tool for managing your finances. However, it's important to be aware of the risks involved before you sign up for an overdraft. With that said, thanks for watching. And until next time, stay safe and happy banking.